Hey there, this is Dee with the Dee Howard team at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. On this channel, I debunk real estate myths that's out there and oftentimes not true. Today we're going to debunk the notorious HOA, Homeowners Association, a topic that can get as heated as a summer barbecue debate at Uncle Frank's. Here are the top 3 pros and cons, sprinkled with a dash of humor, to keep things a little lively. Let's start with the pros, shall we? Number 1, HOAs act like the fashion police of your neighborhood, ensuring that lawns are pristine and houses don't look like they got caught in a paint explosion. And if they do have amenities, some HOAs offer community pools, clubhouses, pickleball courts, and tennis courts. And when they do have those perks, it's like being at a resort, but you get to sleep in your own bed. They also act like the guardians of property value. They strive to maintain the neighborhood's appeal, which can boost property values, of course. It's like having an unofficial appraiser assessing your home's resale potential. That can be a great thing when it comes to resale, and I think you would agree. Now for the cons. It's like a fee frenzy. HOA fees can sometimes feel like you're paying the subscription fee for a reality TV show you never signed up for. Coming soon to your TV, Real Housewives of the HOA. And number 2, rule book overload. Do you know the world's thickest book? It's not the dictionary, it's the HOA rule book. Some find the rules more intricate than a mystery novel plot. And the third con, they're control enthusiasts. HOAs can make you feel like you're living in a sitcom where the neighbor next door plays the role of the overbearing sitcom parent. I saw you trim those hedges a millimeter too short, young man.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Well, my opinion, HOAs are like the sprinkle of salt in the real estate recipe. They can enhance the flavor or leave a bad taste, depending on your taste buds. Just remember, a little laughter can make navigating the HOA journey a bit more enjoyable. Join me again for Real Estate Myths Debunked. Until next time.